Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to launch a simple, fast and professional website without coding, using GoDaddy Website Builder is one of the easiest options in 2026. Most beginner issues come from choosing the wrong template, skipping mobile edits, or publishing correctly, or misunderstanding plans. So we'll avoid all of that. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to create a website with GoDaddy Website Builder in 2026 like a pro. So first thing, create or log in to your GoDaddy account. Okay, so go to your GoDaddy. Okay, log in to your account. From the dashboard, go to website plus marketing. Yeah. So click create a website. GoDaddy Website Builder is included with many hosting domain plans. Okay, so choose how to start. Okay, so GoDaddy gives you two ways to start. Okay, AI Website Builder, or choose a template. So for the first option, answer a few questions. Okay, and GoDaddy auto generates a site. Okay, so you have to answer these ones. Okay, so the option B, browse templates by category. So select one close to your goal, and you can change template later, but content may recede. Okay, so inside the editor you can edit text by clicking directly, change images, adjust colors, reorder sections. So GoDaddy uses section-based editing, not free drag. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.